Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the founder of CourseCREEK Hub and CourseCREEK. We're a boutique agency that helps educators, thought leaders, authors, public speakers, and coaches monetize their expertise with digital assets like online courses, live training programs, and I have a special message just for you coaches out there. Take a look at CourseCREEKHub.io. It is an automated, all-in-one Swiss Army knife machine that's designed to capture, nurture, and convert your leads, your traffic into appointments and sales, closing deals. The funnel, the automated system on the inside, is specifically designed for coaches. So if you're interested in increasing appointments and increasing sales, talk to us about this and we'll show you how it works. Thank you.